Here we come to the, what's this place? Turcos in the Hamptons Mall. Is this a ThyssenKrupp elevator? Looks like a ThyssenKrupp. No, it's an Otis. Oh, look at that. There's a little arrow telling you the elevator is gonna come. Oh, guess it stopped at 2, because guess they're picking up passengers or something. Oh, here it comes. Oh, that's a really weak door. Let me just try that again. Hey, that's a better chime. Oh. 3. Whoops. Uh-oh. Alright, that's it. Alright, well, after hitting the phone button by accident, sorry. I accidentally pushed the phone. Oh, look at that. Somebody forgot to Look at that. Somebody forgot to fill in the capacity plate. Shame on the person from Otis who forgot to do that. That's just not cool. So nobody knows the capacity in here. 1. Here we go. Alright, well, guess that's gonna be it. After this epic fail, that's it.